cannot hear you. Will you obey the Daleks forever?
No!
Answer.
No!
In that case, I will command this Dalek slave orchestra to play special Dalek music. It will convert you all to the Dalek cause. Then you will obey. Daleks, bring forward the slave conductor. Behave yourself! Dalek, has the conductor been conditioned to obey my command? Yes, he will obey or be exterminated! Now, humans, behold the might of the new Daleks. Resist us, and you will be exterminated!